for this challenge, I'm asking you to create a scene look something like this, right? It doesn't need to be exactly the same because it's going to be very hard to mimic exactly what I create here. But the idea is that as you click, as you on mouse press or on mouse release, the sun is going to set, but also, and this is where the challenge comes in, you're going to change the color of the sky. And if you want to go crazy, you could change the color of the sun, maybe get it more orange as it gets closer to the ground. Change the color of the grass because the light's going to change what color the grass looks like. But right now, here's the idea, and maybe you can make something really cool. As I click, these RGB values for my sky are changing. And as you know, the sun sets, there's a very pink sunset. And eventually the sun sets all the way down. And I have it where I can click indefinitely, and I'm using if statements to make sure that there's no error. If I don't have if statements there, eventually your RGB values, as you keep incrementing or decrementing them, would get below 0 or above 255. So that's why you see it kind of stuck on this pink, because I'm using an if statement to block it there. So the idea for this is you're going to have kind of like, I guess really two variables that you need to make, two global variables. One for the sun, one for the sky. I actually have the sky as a rectangle here instead of the app background. And then you need to use RGB, and I used labels for this just because we haven't gotten to helper functions and return values and stuff like that. So I'm just using global variable labels to make this happen. So see if you can figure this out. I definitely will provide, you can see in the description, I'll provide some skeleton code for you to work with. And, give it a shot before you try out the solution video.